Hi there. Carrying on from our finds at Wimbledon, we have two valves. I have shown I've probably shown similar types of these before, but these are a different manufacturer and a different size. This one is a STC, which stands for Standard Telephones and Cables. Famous name. It's a G10/241E. It's a cold cathode tube. You see all the connections in there, and what happens, each connection goes to a pin at the top. You see around the top there's like a pin, and they will cycle round. For further information, I would certainly suggest having a look on Google, because if I went into the ins and outs of this, I'd be here all day and all night. So suffice to say that it is a counting tube. They're numbered, and that they go at quite a speed. Gas filled, possibly neon gas, I would think. It's quite an old valve. The pin arrangements is quite unusual. It's a special base. No heaters in these, as I say. It's a cold cathode, so it just means that it uses ionisation. An interesting little item. The broad arrow there indicates that it was military purpose. It's government, military. It does come up on Google. I had to think then. On Google, the other numbers are CVX222. Looks like 22. It's either 222 or 2297. My eyes are not as good as they used to be. But there's the main number. That will be the main number, what it is known as made in England. STC were based at Footscray in Kent, and they made other products. They made the Colster Brands radio. They were also well into telephone equipment. In fact, the standard name was seen throughout Europe and other places within the world. So it's got a bit of history. Anyhow, the next one we come across is a photomultiplier. Once again, these are quite complicated how they work, and I would suggest anyone wants to know more about it is to have a little read up on Google or anything else. They are complicated. The electrons are beamed off of certain plates. Once again, there's no heater on them. It's a standard, I think it's a standard size base. In fact, it looks like there's more pins to it. It's American made. Got the number on it. The number there, SC223A. Made by RCA, Radio Corporation of America. Made in USA. And the American government number, JAN 931-A. That number does appear, so if you want to find out more about it, look that up under Google. And these have like a window. That's in fact a window. It's like a gridded window. Anyhow, once again, just before we go, that little top hat you see at the top is what's known as a getter, and that is a device to remove the last traces of air that might be left in the valve or the tube itself. They fire that with high frequency power. and it's like a magnesium flame inside, and it removes the last traces of oxygen. Anyhow, once again, thanks for watching. Any questions please make. I'll try and get back with an answer, but I'm not promising anything. These two items actually turned up today, as I said, yesterday at Wimbledon, and they cost me £2 each, which I thought was money well spent. In fact, I believe I knocked him down, so it was probably less than £2 each. Anyhow, once again, thanks for looking. Please subscribe, please comment. Thank you again. Thank you.